Hello students, this is your Prakasam sir from Math Beyond Marks channel where concepts first, marks will follow. In the previous videos, we learned the laws of exponents and using the laws of exponents, we have done figure it out exercise from your textbook. But what happens if the exponent becomes negative? Can an exponent be really negative? And how do we write the numbers using powers of 10? All these things we are going to see. In this video, we'll understand negative exponents and powers of 10 from CBSE Class 8 Maths Chapter 2 Power Play. Watch the video till the end to clearly understand these concepts. Let me start teaching using the board. I am going to explain about negative exponents. How negative exponents are arrived? Now, let you see this example. 2 power 10 divided by 2 power 15. Okay, now according to the formula, what will happen? 2 to the power of 10 minus 15. Then it will become 2 to the power of minus 5. Yes, we are getting negative exponents. But for this is not in the standard form. They are giving one formula. What is that? A power minus m can be written in positive as 1 by a power m. It can be changed from numerator to denominator. If it is a negative exponent in the numerator, it will come down to denominator as a positive exponent. Then we can simplify the sums that we will see in the future. Now, so the answer for this one, we can write again it as 1 by 2 to the power of 5. Yes, now it is a positive. Now, same thing, the same now what we can see, 2 to the power of minus 5 into 2 to the power of plus 7. If it is there, we can use the same concept a power m into a power n as a power, that is not a power, 2 to the power. 2 to the power of minus 5 plus 7 because a is minus 5, b is 7. So it is the answer is 2 to the power of 2. Sometimes it may come negative if you interchange. Let me take 3 as an example. 3 power minus 9 into 3 power 4. What will happen? 3 power minus 9 plus 4. So that is 3 power minus 5 is the answer. And this is the way how we are getting the negative exponents. While doing the sums, automatically negative exponents are coming. But for that one identity, that is laws of exponents, in that laws there is also one law. A power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. This will be very much useful in future. Okay, let me see, apply this formula, this law in the future sums. Here there are 3 questions from your textbook. Okay, we had required a and b to be counting numbers. We are having 2 counting numbers. Can a and b be any integers? Can a and b any integer? They are asking can a and b any integer? Will the generalized form still hold true? For which one? For that law. Just now we have seen, no? A power minus m equal to 1 by a power m, like that one law we have seen. Or the previous laws we have seen, a power m into a power. Okay, whatever the law it is possible if both are not 0. A 0 power 5 into 0 power 6 means no use. A and b, if both are 0, then that rules and all will vanish. So a and b can be any integer other than 0. Are you clear? Okay, let me go to next question. See, this is generalized form. Suddenly they will ask one question like that. You be prepared for anything. If you know the concept really, then you can answer anything. Write the equivalent forms of the following. See, simply they are asking one question. First one is 2 to the power of minus 4. What is the equivalent form? We know only one method. Just now we have seen this. You can write it as 1 by 2 to the power of 4. That's all. Or you can write 1 by 2 power 4 is 16. You can write like this also. Yes, it is allowed. So whatever we are writing, using the law. That means what laws of exponents you are going to apply and do. What is for this one? Second one, 1 by 10 power 5. 7 minus 7 power minus 2. Minus 7 whole power minus 2. Nothing. 1 by minus 7, let it be. First you change this alone. Negative 2 will become positive 2. That is nothing but 1 by minus 7 whole square will become plus. The value will become 49. 1 by 49 is the value. So, the maths they are going to play with positive sign, negative sign. If you are very clear what you learned in 6th standard and 7th standard about integers, then if you use that, that will be very easy. So don't forget this one. This whole square they gave here, bracket is given, so it belongs to the number also, this one. First you convert into bring it to denominator, then you expand the formula. Then same thing this one also, this one. Here 10 power minus 100, that is simple. 10 power minus 100 means 1 by 10 power 100. 1 by 10 power 100. No need to write a 10 followed by 100 zeros and all. You can leave it as it is. If you feel that it is smaller, you can write. If you feel, I wrote here 1 by 49 because it is smaller number, you can expand. If you feel bigger number, no need to expand, you can omit as it is. Okay, now the next type of question is this one. In this second one, 2 power minus 4 into 2 power 7. Just now I explained like this to explain the negative numbers I explained. So this is what? 2 to the power of minus 4 plus 7. That is nothing but 2 to the power of plus 3. That's all the answer. If it is negative, we can bring it to denominator, but no need, it is as it is. That's all enough. Now here, all the second question, all the bases are same. Therefore, what you are going to do, just add the powers. 2 minus 5 plus 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 minus 5 is 3. So the answer is 3 to the power of 3 is the answer. That's all over. Number third. Okay, p cube into p power minus 10. Here domination is minus. So 3 minus 10 is p to the power of minus 7. Okay, next one like this, these two sums are, okay, what about 8 power p into 8 power q? Simple. Whatever it is, 8 power p plus q is the formula. So leave it as it is. Don't do anything because we don't know what is the value for p plus q. That is p and q, we don't know the value. Leave it as it is. Whatever the value, this statement is true. So my dear children, let them ask anything. Understand the concept and according to that you answer, then there won't be any trouble for you at all. Okay, let me go to next concept, powers of 10. What is powers of 10? Suppose you take number 375. 375. This you can write as 300 plus 70 plus 5. That's all. So this you can write again as 3 into 10 power 2, 100. 100 means power 2 plus 7 into 10 power 1 plus 5 into this. Can you write as 10 power 0? We can write because 5 into 1. 10 power 0 becomes 1, then it becomes 5 into 1. Okay. So now this only we wrote in this form. That's all over. Now take any other number. So what is that powers of 10? We are writing the given number in terms of 10 to the power. Okay, now 5, 7, 9, okay, 3, but I'll write 0, 3. Okay, now what will happen is 5 into 10 to the power of how many? 50,000. That means 4. Okay, 4 zeros. 10 to the power of 4 means 5 into 10,000, 50,000 plus 7,000. 7 into 10 cube plus 9,000, 900, 9 into 10 square plus 0 into 10 power 1 plus 3 into 10 power 0. This one you can omit it or you can write it. In future, this is not necessary because the value is not there, so we can omit it. But here for teaching purpose, I wrote this one. So 57903 We are expressing every given number in terms of, what is that? Powers. Can it be their negative power here? Yeah, sometimes. How negative power? Wait a minute, I'll change the slide. Okay, take this question. 289.375. Yes, this is a decimal number only. The thing is, this one only, no, even fraction comes, that will become decimal. Now, how to write this one? 2 into 100, 10 power 2, plus 8 into 10 power 1. Okay, plus we can write simply 9. No need of 10 power 0. This is not in practice. If you want, you can write. If not, leave. But next one is 3 into 10 power minus 1. What is a 10 power minus 1? 3 into 10 power minus 1 is, okay, what is that 3 into 10 power minus 10? 3 by 10. Why? Because 10 power minus 1 will become 1 by 10, 3 by 10. That is nothing but 0.3. Then if you write next one, 7 into 10 power minus 2, that will become 7 by 100. Next number I am writing, that is 0.07. When you add this and this, it will become 0.37. So here I can write like this, 3 into 10 power 1 plus 7 into 10 power minus 2 plus 5 into 10 power minus 3. Remember, you are reading this as 10th, 100th, okay, 100th and 1000th. Okay, remember, I didn't write 1000th. Okay, why there is no one place here? In this one, it is ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Okay, in the place value chart, this is ones, tens, hundreds. But here there is no ones place, it is 10th. Okay, 10th, 100th, 1000th. Okay, remember this one very carefully. There is no one place is missing here. No, there is no one. So now in this, what we have seen is, we have taken 3 numbers in powers of 10, simple number. We can expand whatever the number. Suppose the number is given like this. What is the number? 2756398. It is given, means what we will do? Can you guess the answer? What it will be? Nothing. 2 into 10 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. That's all. 2 into 10 power 6 plus 7 into 10 power 5. Like that you can go on writing. Are you able to understand, children? Shall we go to next topic? Next question is power line diagram. It is also taken from the textbook only. You can see that from page number 30. Here what they gave, no, 7 to the power of 0 is 1, 7 power 1 is 1, 7 power 2 49, 7 power 3 7 cube 343, 7 power 4, like that up to 7 power 7. We know negative exponents, that's why they gave 7 power minus 1 is 1 by 7, 1 by 49, 1 by 343, 1 by 2401, like that it is given. Now what they are asking, this they are asking to multiply these two. 2401 into 49. Where is 2401? Here it is. 2401 is nothing but, I am not taking here, just putting the tick here. It is 7 to the power of 4. And what about 49? 7 to the power of 2 into 7 to the power of 2. That's all called power line. So what is this power line? They are giving the help. That line is being given. If not, we have to multiply all these things and work out. Now what is the answer? 7 to the power of 6. What is already 7 to the power of 6 here? The answer also is here. 1 we can write it 117649. In the exams, my dear students, remember, if it is not in this power line diagram, don't try to multiply and get the answer. Write it in the power itself and leave, because they are not going to ask it. Suppose it is 5 mark question, 3 mark question, like that. Based on that marks you try to write, or some reasoning questions maybe or some reasoning questions may be there. In that you can write the multiplication and all, but maximum they will give like this only. Okay, what about 49 cube? 49 cube, how to find out? 49 cube is not given at all, no. This is called tricky question, concept. What is that? We know 49 is nothing but 7 square. 7 square whole cube. 7 square whole cube. 7 square is 49. Whole cube is given already. It is whole cubes. So now we are using power formula. A power m whole power n. A power m into n. 2 into 3, that is 6. Same answer. There is no change in the answer for both. That both are same only. Now 343 into 2401. 343 means 7 power 3 into 2401, 7 power 4. So for this one the answer is 7 power 3 into 7 power 4, that is 7 power 7. That you can write the answer. We know, so I am writing the answer 82 350 3543. How much? 8 lakhs 23,543. 8 lakhs 23,543. Likewise, you do these sums. Okay, in the next one it is given division given. No? If I say you do, that is given division. Division also no need to worry. Just change the division. What is the division now? 16807. 16807 is 7 by 5. 7 power 5 by 49. 7 to the power of 2. What is this one? 7 to the power of 5 minus 2. A power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. That identity. 7 power 3. What is 7 power 3 for answer? 7 power 3 is 343 is the answer. That's all over. So whatever they are giving, that you can do it. Here, now I will come to this one. Okay. Simply I'll write, okay, here, yeah, this is this one, everything I feel to write only, but 1 by 343 into 1 by 343. 343 is 7 cube. Nothing. What we are going to write? 1 by 7 cube into 1 by 7 cube. Here, not in powers the numbers are same. In denominator the numbers are same. It is 1 by 7 to the power of 3 plus 3. It is 7 to the power of 6. Again, the answer is here in the first line. Okay. Now, simple line. What is that? 1 by 2401. Simple. 1 by 2401 is here 7 power 4. No problem. You can leave it as it is 1 by 7 power 4. That's all answer. Are you able to understand, children? This is power line. What is that power line? Is it a big thing? No. We know already. They are giving the clues there. To find the answer easily, we are getting the answer. Final answer we are getting. For that, to help that, they are giving the power line diagram. This diagram, by giving this diagram, there may be a question, and one by one you have to read it carefully and you have to answer. First, always try to understand the concepts. My dear students, I hope you have understood well. The same thing only. If you have understood, watch the full video, and so many videos I am uploading one by one. Any doubt, you comment in the comment section. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe and click the bell button so that you can get my videos whenever I am posting. My dear children, please work hard. Now the situation is not correct. Only studies only will help you. So do well. All the best. Meet you in the next video.